Rob Brown with Rob's Vlog, and it's mooring day. We're going to go out and put a mooring with a pulley system in for Fred Saul. And hey, why don't you come along with us as we go? We're out on Maranacook. Beautiful morning this Friday morning, and we'll show you what we do. This is a nice one with a pulley system too. Out today with my buddy Gary. We're out here making it happen today, eh, pal?
Captain Gary.
Captain Gary, sorry, man. Got to get the terminology right, yeah. What a nice day, huh?
Don't get much better than this right here.
No, I'll tell you. I know it's going to get a little bit gnarly this afternoon, but right now, we picked the right time of the day to get this done. So, Gary was just asking about these channel markers, and you know, when you come across a red and white striped buoy like this with that cone on top, basically that's what that's showing you, is that really is the center of the channel. You can pass generally either side of it, stay reasonably close, but that's showing you the center of the channel out here. You don't see it out here on Maranacook, but if you get over on this side a little bit, you give this another month and you'll start seeing the grass growing up through here. You'll see how shallow it gets. But we're heading out today through that gut right there around the island, and we're going to find Fred's place and see what we can do to drop a few blocks. It'd be good to have somebody run into something like that. We'll pull her up on shore, throw her in the back of the truck, and haul it off. Just general lake service. If you guys are out and about and you come across something like that before somebody else whacks it, you know, it's always good just to take care of it. One pulley system, anchored the dock, 2-block mooring. We're good to go, Gary. What do you say? You ready to go?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Make some more money.
Back home, let's turn it over again. Enjoy the day.